insMe withdrawal tutorial. Firstly, log into insMe account. Enter into insMe system homepage. Click on Me. Click on Personal Info. Click Banking Info to complete the verification of your bank account information. Enter the bank account number. Select the bank name. Enter the recipient name. After confirming that the information is correct, click Submit Now. Go back to Me. Click on Encrypted Wallet. Click on Withdrawal. Enter the withdrawal amount and withdrawal account. Enter your security password. Click on Submit Now. Withdrawal process completed. The above is a detailed tutorial for insMe withdrawal process. We hope it is able to help everyone. Thank you for watching.